And now for the rye bread, that delicious bread that you're going to make your pastrami sandwiches on. A half a cup of water, no warmer than 115 degrees. Add to that 2 packages of the active dry yeast, and stir the packages of yeast into your half a cup of warm water, and add approximately 2 teaspoons of honey. Let this brew for approximately 5 minutes. Now, into your mixer, 1 3/4 cup of warm water, 3 tablespoons more of honey, and 4 tablespoons of butter, melted and slightly cooled. 2 tablespoons of caraway seeds. Caraway is a member of the fennel family. Oh, and 4 1/2 teaspoons of salt. And now your yeast mixture, which is nice and creamy and just showing signs of life. So mix that up, and you start adding your flour. 2 1/2 cups of rye flour first. And 4 cups of all-purpose flour. So I think this dough has been kneaded very nicely. Now you can turn it out as we did the multi-grain bread. Just turn it right out onto a floured surface. You can see how elastic the dough is and how nicely textured it is. And again, turn with a bench scraper. Very nice dough. And you can make this into a free-form loaf, like rye bread is sold in the stores, or you can bake it in a loaf pan. Put it in a buttered bowl and cover it with plastic wrap. Again, to prevent sticking, you can just spray a little bit of vegetable spray on the plastic. Let it rise for approximately an hour to an hour and a half. So the dough has doubled in size. You can, again, deflate it, get it out of the bowl, divide it in half, and form it into 2 equal-sized loaves. And roll this up, tuck the ends in. This will rise nicely in the pans. And it takes another hour or so to have the dough double in size again. And wash with egg white and water. And sprinkle with a few caraway seeds. If you like a lot of caraway seeds, put a lot on. Cover with your plastic wrap, and in an hour, it'll be ready to go into the oven. The bread is doubled in size. Uncover it and get it right into the oven. The oven's set at 450 degrees. We're going to reduce that temperature immediately to 400. And these loaves should be done in approximately 45 minutes. So here are the 2 rye loaves, nice and plump. They will make great sandwiches, great toasts, and they're great for just bread and butter.